Welcome to Maths with Nimesh. In this video, I'm going to discuss 2019 set question. In 2019 O-level examination paper, a set problem was given as question number 11. So first let us read that question. A survey was conducted on 115 families that own pets. Information on the families that own dogs, cats and fish as pets from these families and an incomplete Venn diagram drawn corresponding it are given below. So in that information you can see the total number of families used for the survey is 115. It is universal set equals to 115. The first information, first data they have given is 4 families own all the above 3 types of pets. Common region for all 3 circles is this region. It includes 4 families. The number of families that own only dogs is 19. So only dog region is this region. Why? This is the common region for all 3 types. This is the common region for these 2 circles. Circle representing dogs and circle representing fish. This region is the common region for dogs and cats. So only dog means this region. 19. 24 families own both dogs and cats. So 24 own both dogs and cats. This is the region. But we have already included 4 in this region. Even though we have 24 to include in this oval, we have already included 4. So 24 minus 4, 20 is the number we have to include in this region. Next data is 21 families own both dogs and fish. 21 dogs and fish. Same thing, similar to the previous value. This is the region common for dogs and fish. The number given is 21. So we have to put 21 as the sum of these 2 values. But we have 4 here. So 21 minus 4, 17 is the value for this particular region. Last data. 11 families do not own any of the above 3 types. So any of the 3 types. 11 must come out of these 3 circles. In the first question, they want us to draw the Venn diagram and include this information. This is what we have already done. In question 2, the number of families that own dogs, this quantity, number of families that own dogs. They might have dogs and cats or dogs and fish, but still they have dogs. So when they say number of families that own dogs, we have to consider all these 4 numbers. Is twice the number of families that own fish. So this number is twice the number of families included in this particular circle. I repeat, number of families that own dogs is twice the number of families that own fish. So this value is twice of this. So what is the sum of these 4? First let us find that. 20 plus 19, 39, 39 plus 4, 43, 43 plus 17, 60. So 60 is twice of the number, but we have to put into this circle. In that question they ask him, find the number of families that own fish but do not own dogs. So number of families which own fish, do not own dogs means families must include into this circle but not to this circle. That means these 2 regions. This value 60 is twice what twice of what we have to put here. That means this circle must have 30 families. Because 30 times 2 is 60. From that 30, 4 plus 17, 4 plus 17, 21. From this 30, 21 families have dogs. But they are asking for the families which have fish but not dogs. From this 30 we have to subtract these two since they have dogs. So value is 9. Question number 3. How many families own only cats? So only cats. This is the region. So in this circle we have 60. These two regions, that is 9. So 60 plus 9, 69. 69 and this 11 is 80. 80 is the number that is there in all the regions except for this region, which is the region representing the families which own only cats. This 60 represent families including families having dogs, and these two, which is 9, represent families having fish, so we can't take them. 11, they don't have any type of pet, so sum we got as 80. From this entire 115 we have to subtract families having dogs, having fish, not having any type. Then we get the remaining region, which is the region having only cats, that is 35. Last question. The number of families that own only fish is this region. This region doesn't include to any of these two circles. So that value is twice the number of families that own cats and fish but not dogs. I repeat, cats and fish but not dogs. Cats and fish, this is the region, but not dogs, except this, that is this region. The number of families that own only fish, this region, is twice the number of families that own cats and fish but not dogs. So this is twice of this number. This value is twice of this. So if I put x here, if I put x, this must be 2x, because the number of families in this region is twice the number of families here. So we know sum of the families included in this entire set is 30. So that 30 is equivalent to the 4 numbers what we have in these regions, that is x plus 2 is 3x, 4 plus 17, 21. So we have 3x equals 9, which is x equals 3. If x equals 3, I can put 3 here and 6 here. So what is the question finally asked? Find the probability of the family selected at random from those surveyed being a family that own only fish. So we have to identify the value in the region having only fish. Only fish is 6, that is the value out of entire universal set 150. So when we take this into a simplest fraction, can we simplify this one? 150, no, we can't simplify this further. So this is the probability of a family, randomly selected family, being a family having only fish out of total 150. So that concludes our discussion on question number 11 in 2019 O-level fast paper. See you from another video. Thank you.